For this install, all engine covers can be left in place. The boost sensor is mounted towards the rear of the engine. The rail sensor is screwed into the front of the fuel rail and is obscured from view from most angles. The rail sensor can be accessed from the right hand side between the engine and the battery. Unclip the factory rail connector by pressing down on its releasing tab. Connect our rail harness plug to the rail sensor. Connect the factory rail connector to the corresponding plug on the supplied wiring loom. Ensure that the wiring is kept away from this stainless steel EGR pipe. It gets very hot in use and can damage cabling if run too close. Tidy the wiring harness with the cable ties provided. Disconnect the factory boost connector, again by pressing down on its releasing tab. Connect our boost harness plug to the boost sensor, then connect the factory boost connector to the corresponding plug on the supplied wiring loom. Connect the unit to the wiring loom and place it into the provided protective bag. Route the tuning box and wiring harness away from direct heat or moving parts. Secure the unit and tidy the wiring harness with the cable ties provided. Finally, ensure that the LEDs illuminate in accordance with the supplied instructions.